Well, if you like rain, here it is.
We hate rain.
Yeah. Sitting here trying to take care of some business, and
we're getting rained on.
And we're getting rained on. In a few hours,
we're gonna get snowed on.
We're gonna get snowed on. Now, we don't mind the snow, okay? That don't bother us.
It's when the snow stays that bothers us.
Yeah. Yeah. What these folks got up here is a little much. If you watched us last winter, you'll understand that.
It sucks.
But anyway, y'all have a good one. We're gonna sit here and get rained on.
Unfortunately.